How to see blocked account on Snapchat. It's pretty quick and easy. So before starting the video, subscribe our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon so you can receive the notification of next video. Do like, comment and share as well. Without wasting the time, let's jump in your Snapchat and make sure that you have a latest version of Snapchat. Just click on the Snapchat here and then you have to go to your profile icon at the very top of your screen. You can see your profile icon. Just hit your profile icon and then go to your settings at the right top of your screen. Now what you have to do, just scroll down until you find the blocked contacts option. Just scroll down and in your privacy you can easily see the blocked contacts. Just hit that option. As you can see, I don't have any blocked account in my Snapchat account. So if you have, you can see all these accounts here. You can easily unblock anyone from this list. Hope it helps. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye, and thanks for watching.